Hello my lovelies, I hope you all are doing very well. Thank you all for your time watching my videos, subscribing and liking them. Thanks also for your great comments. In this very short video, I want to show you a recipe that you can use as breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's suitable for any time of the day. I'm going to be using beans, rice, smoked fish, fresh tomatoes, onions and pepper, salt, seasoning cubes, crayfish and red oil. And with all these ingredients, my lovelies, we are making Nigerian jollof rice and bean porridge. So let's get into the cooking proper. Parboil the rice and beans in separate pots, after which you drain out the water and keep them aside still separately. Then you blend your tomatoes and pepper and onions together. Then you go into the frying of what you have blended. Okay, so before I continue, let me ask you to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, which will enable you to know when a new video is posted. Also like, share and drop your comments. Thank you and I love you. Mwah. So let's continue with the cooking. So my lovelies, we have come to the end of this cooking. I hope you like what you've just seen. Now when you want to cook for your family, or you're thinking of what to make for your family, you have one recipe at hand. I'm going to come your way again with so many more. For now, just have this at hand until I see you again. I love you. Peace out.